on YouTube? EJR here again. Today I just wanted to make a quick video updating you on Eric's S1000 here and what he plans to do with it. Over the past couple days we kind of got to doing some talking and he wants to go all in on this bike. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it is lowered in this video. I lowered it live on stream. It's lowered 2 inches. Since then, I've made a couple of small changes, such as removing the bar ends. I also, you can't really see it, but I did heat wrap the airbox. And that has some DEI Reflecta-Gold wrap on it. But since we got to talking, we've decided on doing a few more things. One of which being, we're getting an Evil 2-to-6 arm put on the bike. I'm going to be getting a 120/60 front tire and lowering the bike a little bit more from that. We're also going to be removing this rotor and the ABS system in this bike. So this is literally going to be set up just like my bike, where you have your brake, your master, and one braided line going right to the caliper, and that's it. That's all this bike's going to have for braking. That's all this bike has for braking, and that's all this bike has for braking, as well as the H2 I'm building. We're also getting rid of these. He has a carbon bracket on the way. I already removed the bar ends, like I said. We're getting rid of the sliders to get some more weight off the bike. I'm not putting the chain guard back on, or the sprocket cover, back on. He does want to get a seat cover for this, the OEM plastic one, I should say, not a seat cover. The more I talk with Eric, the more he just wants to go all in on this bike, and I don't blame him too. He wants to be ready for Tennessee, and he wants to actually win some races, not just be a guy that has a quick bike. And I already told him, stock wheelbase, these bikes just don't run very good. At least not in a half-mile type race. You know, long distance racing, sure. I decided to actually check the wheelbase of this bike too. I slid the axle all the way back in the swing arm as far as it'll allow me to go, and that's without a chain, and then measured axle to axle center, and it was only 56.75 inches, so 56 3/4 inches. That's not very long, even for a stock wheelbase bike. This bike here will go 58 inches maxed out on the stock swing arm. So we're talking 1.25 inches less wheelbase right off the rip on a stock wheelbase BMW, as well as a much shorter aggressive first gear. These bikes get really hard to stay down stock wheelbase, which is why we decided to extend it. But what I'm going to be doing in this video for you today, guys, is actually just swapping out the battery and showing you some scale weight differences. I already put the foam pads on it. This is an EarthX, and it's an ETX 12A part number for those who always ask me, what battery do you run on your bikes? That's the one. I put it in every single bike because it works awesome. It's never died on me, and it's only 1.3 pounds. Even with all these foam insulation pads right here, this is like 1.39 pounds, so it's pretty light. So I'm going to be filming for you, just removing the battery and doing the swap, and I'll weigh everything for you, and then we'll go from there. But I'll get back with you guys in just a minute. Alright guys, I've got the OEM battery out right here as it comes, and I have the EarthX as it's going in. So these are exact weights. Let's turn the scale on, and the OEM battery, 4.776 pounds. The EarthX battery, 1.394 pounds. So that's roughly 3.3 and change pounds, give or take. Not too bad considering BMWs have some of the lighter batteries I've seen. Most batteries, like say the ZX10 and the Gixxer, were both around 7 pounds each. But alright, now I'm going to go ahead and slap in the EarthX battery. Alright, there it is, guys. The ETX 12A EarthX battery. Fairly easy install, as you guys saw. It's literally just take the ground and positive off, pull the battery out, and then you're basically shimming with these supplied foam pucks the battery so it doesn't move around. And that's it. That's all it takes to put in one of these batteries in these bikes. But that's going to go ahead and wrap this video up for today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with this bike, what Eric's decisions are, and this bike's actually going to be pretty light, and I'm looking forward to it. This whole ABS module, this is coming out. We're going to save this section here so it doesn't throw any ABS faults, but the basic brick here, the ABS module, will be gone along with all the ABS lines. So I do look forward to weighing this bike and seeing what it is once it's all said and done. But I'll be saving that for the next video for you guys, so in the meantime, you know the drill. Subscribe if you haven't, like the video, don't like it if you don't like the video or me. And if you guys already are subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified of videos like this. And also, like I said in one of my other videos, I do have a Patreon. There's not much on it right now, but go and check it out. And, you know, I'll be putting more on that. And also, give me some ideas in terms of specific content you guys would actually like to see on the Patreon page. Anyway, comment below what you guys think I should do about that. As the usual, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.